So there's a couple of things you need to remember when you're dealing with exponents. If ever you have, for example, 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 4, there is absolutely nothing you can do with this. You're going to have to say, okay, well, 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, plus 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And we know that this is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, plus 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 times 2, 8, times 2, 16, which is going to be equal to 24. And there's no way you can add or multiply them together. You just have to know it, that addition, you just have to multiply it out. There's nothing you can do. Sorry. So the second thing you need to remember is that when you're multiplying exponents, they need to have the same base. So if you say, for example, 2 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 2 times 8 to the power of 3. Well, there's absolutely nothing you can do with it as such, because we know that 2 to the power of 4, well, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, times 4 to the power of 2, that's 4 times 4, times 8 to the power of 3, that's 8 times 8 times 8. And here, there is nothing you can do, because 2 to the power of 4, it's these 2's. But then 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 2, sorry, that is a different base. You're not multiplying the same thing. And then 8 to the power of 3 is something different again. So if you have this kind of a question, what you would want to do is then say, okay, well, 2 to the power of 4, that I can say like that. But 4 to the power of 2, well, we know that 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So we could say that 4 to the power of 2 would be, well, 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 2. So here, 2 to the power of 2. So times 2 to the power of 2, that's 4, times another 4, 2 to the power of 2. So that's still the same thing. And then you have 8 to the power, 8 times 8 times 8. And we know that 8 is 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 2 times 2. So what you could say is, okay, well, that's times 2 to the power of 3, the 8, times 2 to the power of 3, the second 8, times another 2 to the power of 3, the third 8. And then you still have here your 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is also known as, I'll write it differently, 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. And then, well, from this, we know we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3. Now, instead of writing this all out, we know that that would be, well, here we'd have 4 2's, and then we have 2 more, and 2 more, and then 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. So we can just do is that is equal to 2 to the power, so we have our first 4 2's, then we have 2 more, plus 2 more, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Because what we're doing really is we have, there we're going to have 4 2's multiplied by another 2 2's. So we know we're just going to have 6 2's, and then we just add on all of them. So that is going to be equal to, well, 4 plus 2, that's 6, plus 2, 8, plus 3, 11, plus another 3, 14, plus another 3, 17. So 2 to the power of 17. So just all this to say that when you have exponents, you need them to have the same base. There is no secret to it. They just need to have the same base.